You see, what happens is most of the time, a person wanting to take a housing loan, he will have to go to different builders, waste a lot of time. Secondly, he may not know which of the builders will be reliable. State Bank of Hyderabad, when they have a loan mela like this, we will have reputed builders, and he has a choice of more than one builder. He has got a choice of more than one location where the houses come. So in one trip, he'll be able to take a decision depending on his budget. And if his budget is known to him, we'll be able to help him in the quantum of loan. The quantum of loan is also dependent on his salary or his income levels. So all the clarifications he can get under one roof, and he can take his decisions very, very fast. Similarly, regarding car loans, now that we are in March, we'll be able to, for the professionals like doctors and chartered accountants and other professionals, they'll be able to get depreciation if they buy the car before 31st of March. And here also he has got a choice of different car, different models, different dealers. So he will be able to take an informed decision by consulting his bankers. And the branch managers of different branches are also here. So he can conveniently select a location from where he can take the loan. He can talk to the dealer and zero in on the model and take an informed decision very, very quickly.